Imagine unlocking financial freedom from the comfort of your home. The allure of online income is undeniable, offering flexibility and endless opportunities. Earn Trump presents a unique platform designed for both beginners and experienced users, making the journey toward financial independence accessible to all. Setting realistic expectations is crucial. Success requires effort, strategies, and time commitment, just like any other business. Navigating the Earn Trump interface is a breeze with its intuitive design, clear menus, and essential tools at your fingertips. You will find the link in the description. Key features like a personalized dashboard, training resources, and community support make it simpler to start and grow your online business. Choosing a niche that interests you and developing a unique brand identity will set you apart and keep you motivated. Creating high-converting content is essential. Focus on providing value, using clear language, and engaging visuals to drive better results. Effective marketing strategies such as social media, email marketing, and networking can help build your audience and increase visibility. Monetize your efforts through affiliate marketing, leveraging paid advertising, and exploring other revenue streams like selling digital products or offering consulting services. Building a sustainable business model requires patience, persistence, and the ability to adapt to market changes. Your journey to financial success with Earn Trump starts now.